Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 12th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro-US dollar, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So we had CPI inflation data come out today, and as always, the trend is your friend. I talked about this morning, how more than likely the CPI inflation data was going to cause the euro to go up. Now, if this is the end of a correction on the daily time frame way down here, then it will go up and make new highs, definitely. If this is going to turn into more of a complex pattern on the daily, meaning like a bigger overlapping correction, then it could bounce from the 78%, go down and break structure. If it does bounce from the 78%, go down and break structure, I would definitely be bearish. Otherwise, I would definitely enjoy the trend. Just because it's going up doesn't mean that it's going to stop going up. So I would definitely enjoy the trend, and I would definitely continue to look for longs for now. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.